service. An
What is the
urgency Lordship matter is 2023 matter.
subject matter?
Fine. Termination from service.
When was it last fixed?
Last posted on 3/6/25. Urgency is that Lordship, the petitioner is bedridden now. He has stayed.
We'll have it in August for admission.
Because
Is it for admission or hearing?
hearing.
For hearing.
Yeah.
Then it must be listed for order for fixing a date for hearing.
The pleading is complete. Record is also available. Any date.
All right, 30 July,
30 July, Lordship.
0 July for order.
Lordship.
Do you have a mention memo?
Yes, good.
Make it for order.
May it please, my lord. Prayer for listing of a matter. Matter pertains to family pension, my lord. Pleadings are over, my lord. Any date as it pleases, my lord.
30,
I'm deeply obliged.
My lord, similar prayer, my lord.
similar prayer. Happy thoughts. Right. Fourth of
Please, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 4, Lordship. I want to withdraw this petition, Lordship.
you are Mr.
M. Hussain, Lordship.
M. Hussain. Order depending.
Please, actually for listing the review petition, it was last listed on 23/5/2025.
Petition.
Review petition, and release this matter on next week, my lordship, I will get. For orders, my lord.
Let it be on 12.
12 August. Before it is not possible.
Possible, but we'd like to decide the matter.
Yeah.
Matter will have to be heard.
Yes, please.
12.
God bless.
Notice may be it.
Why after 2 years, what happened?
As per my knowledge, my lord, that file was misplaced, my lord.
What are you thinking?
Non-payment of family pension, my lord.
Is it possible for you to get instructions to
Lordship may issue notice, Lordship.
returnable 4 weeks? Negate. Except
1, 4, 6, and 6, Lord. 1, 4, and
the D for A for order number 2. The rate only have for
3 and 7.
7. The accountant general, anybody? The way within a period of 1 week.
oblige, Lord.
Oblige. On compliance of the order dated, my lord. '25/9.
Pledging steps within 1 week.
Oblige.
Yes, your lordship. My senior is in another court. Please timing my lord.
Petitioner got appointed in BSF, lordship.
Pointed.
Yes, lordship.
You inform your senior, your client got appointed. by, let's see, it- but it- results were revised and the petitioner elected, declared selected by staff select commission and he has been allotted the PH. She is appointed already.
Allotment order was issued lordship in next week. I think
On 2025. Went to all verification. Again, the petitioner will be appointed if found that if the if the particulars of the petitioner be appointed. They will- but you have to stand to this both.
like
Applications. What's a petition? At present, my lord, petitioner is the serving as the manager in the Lokapriya Gopinath Bordole Airport, your lordship. So what happened? There was an allegation of being indulged in an act of sexual harassment at workplace.
Will
And
issue
then-
notice that this is the case of
Yes, the inquiry was,
position of punishment on the basis of
yes,
the
yes, penalty
ICC report.
imposing. time.
But anyone for the authority, do they have a standing? council?
On the last occasions, CCC appeared. And
Any-
there was an order of this honorable court also to reflect the name. And so far, my lord, the airport authority, when notice will go, they will take it.
Should notice on. Not a step. Okay. Sit down. Got a bearing?
Yes.
CGC?
Yes.
Let's give CGC. Here's an exception. Yeah, pop. So the way the extra copy we furnished in the, five, complete their instruction. Five.
Like you.
Wait, please. Pursuant to the last order passed by this honorable court, instructions were sought from the
Yes, Lordship, I have received instruction, Lordship. Lordship, there is a instruction that there is a reference of one WPC, Lordship, order of 19/12/2023, Lordship. Here we have the instruction that this will be confined to that particular 13 writ petitioners only, Lord. It cannot be given to other than these 13.
My lord, an affidavit may kindly be filed. I would like to file a reply to the same to what my respected senior has provided.
You mean to say that,
Yes, Lordship, the last two paragraphs, Lordship.
no, you are saying that Penda's judgment is confined to that.
Yes, there, but there, that means particulars of these petitioners, Lordship, who are before your Lordship now, Lordship, there, the same particulars were not forwarded at that period of time, Lordship. It was forwarded later on, Lordship.
No, that was the onus of the
The
department, my lord.
voluntary-
Because, my lord, similarly situated persons who are appointed with us, the contractual supervisors and contractual statistical assistants, they have got the minimum of pay scale, whereas we have been deprived, my lord. Annexure 4, it is there. Page 41, my lord. Page 42, my lord.
There is one OM of the Finance Department also, Lordship, in page number 2.
Beg to file a reply to that. Affidavit may kindly be filed.
But this judgment says otherwise.
Lordship, I have gone through, Lordship.
That
Because the department, they have given me the instruction, Lordship. So I'm duty bound to place before your Lordship.
we close it in terms of the judge.
Lordship, let the finance department also.
Are you going to find?
Lordship, I'll put this on record, Lordship. I want to.
Better.
Yes, Lordship.
This may also go, Lordship, because it's in the
So
morning.
I heard council for party, we should notice, written about 4 weeks. The vote, that of the basis of which
Mhm.
with the benefit that with us. It a bit I will be right. We particularly
Mhm.
were appointed prior to AFRBF period. So these particulars of these petitioners were not included in the earlier proposal. Therefore,
I think a bit.
they cannot be
Mm.
however, that the instruction permitted. Great. TV, it better therefore that after 3 weeks, I think there is no other. It is fine. Then the counter, it will like. Let them bring it on record.
Yes,
Lordship.
yes.
You can take the instruction.
I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Please, your lordship, my lord, this matter relates to compassionate appointment, my lord. Here the petitioner's case was recommended by the DLC at page 32, my lord. Page 32, my lord. Ajay Kumar Das so and so is recommended for the post of grade 4. So he was recommended for the post of grade 4. And accordingly, my lord, thereafter, there were various communications which reflect that his name has been, my lord, included in the list for placing before the SLC. And in the meantime, the office memorandum has come in, my lord. So, my lord, this matter remained pending, my lord. And in the meantime, my lord, series of writ petitions were filed by similarly situated persons, my lord. And this honorable court had interfered with the office memorandum, my lord. The petitioner's case is covered by, there is a
We should
subsequent,
notice at this stage. Let them file
subsequent, this is the covered case, this is the subsequent
No,
order,
Lord.
my lord.
subsequent.
Similarly covered, my lord.
Let us see.
Good.
Why don't you share copies with the
My lord.
respondent?
I don't have extra
Bring it.
copies, my lord.
Bring it on Wednesday. Give them copies, let them also understand how it is
After
covered.
some time, my lord, I'll,
All right, after some-
Wednesday.
after some time, my lord. Eight also similar, my lord. I'll get
after
the
some time,
copies.
get copies, then share it with
Yes.
them if you're relying on.
Yes, fine.
That courtesy has to be extended. 7 and 8.
Lordship, next week, Lordship.
You want it after some time. 7 and 8. Why don't we have it on Monday? Sorry, not Monday, Wednesday. 7 and 8 list on Wednesday.
7 and 8, my lord.
None appears.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, there is an IA, my lord, in this petition, my lord. My lord, it is ought to file the respondent's name should be his designation, my lord. But mistakenly, by name, the respondent has been had. So this IA is for correction, my lord, the title page.
Which respondent?
Respondent number 4 and 5. Respondent number 4, it should be Deputy General Manager, but mistakenly the name is also given here.
And 5 also.
5 also.
The IA. Since IA has been filed for making a correction, the post type of the petition, just like those. In the accompanying petition, UPC 3726/25, that's like 4 and 5. Inadvertent. Instead of the respondent 4 and 5 being added their official capacity, the names of the incumbent holding the offices of the reflected in the post title of it's submitted that there is no personal allegation by therefore there is no specific relief sought for against incumbent holding the post that responded 4 and 5 that was reflected in the post title. So therefore submitted that the petitioner applicant be permitted to make the correction by deleting the names of three Biplop Chatterjee and Kun Kumar Sinha, respectively, of the array of parties and instead their offices, namely Deputy General Manager GA and Station in Charge Total Office, be allowed to be reflected. If there is no objection. Yeah, it's fine. No. The names of the Biplop Chatterjee and Kun Kumar Sinha stand deleted and 4 and 5 will be reflected only as Deputy General Manager GA and Station in Charge like state. That the petitioner file amended post title of the rate within the according to the book of allowed of UP shall be retained in the repeated view of the order passed. Names of the and and deleted and 4 and 5 and instead of the Deputy General Manager and stated that will offer to be reflected as the 4 and 5. Shall file amended post title in 2 weeks. It's thereafter.
Ablash.
His lordship, the petitioner is an unmarried daughter, lordship. She applied for her family pension, lordship, after her mother's death, lordship. After 2018 amendment, lordship, she is entitled. Her case was forwarded and still not yet paid, lordship. So lordship may issue notice this case.
Anyone who responded?
Lordship for the age.
AG. Third, Mr. So if you select out the table, the rate will be up on the geo. Let's do them at the target for. Let's put the part. The. It is the wave that.
Last communication was dated July 2024. So if your lordship, the pendency shall not be a bar.
Pendency of the request.
Lordship, here kindly,
Request. Is not here.
lordship kindly, there is a separate standing council for evidence.
It is not here.
Yes,
There-
lordship, because it is not shown, kindly, I shall inform M. Kotoki, her name may kindly be recorded. I
We're
shall
Putting your name, you hand it over to.
Lord. Obliged, Lord.
Back to the lot.
Yes.
Kindly come to page 57. There is the order in the earlier requisition.
Yeah.
Page 57.
Seven.
My lord, page relevant is page 58.
Yeah.
Case 58 lordship from para 3, may I read lordship. It is the case of the petitioner that he was working as surveillance inspector on being promoted thus on so and so. The petitioner was working as such Lanka BPS under Joint Director of Health Service Nagaon and allowed to work on attachment under the disposal of the Joint Director of Health Service Kasar district until further order right number so and so. However, since the state government in view of having a new policy on transfer and posting has recalled all such posting done on attachment, and therefore the petitioner has also been sent back to Nagaon. The petitioner having come to learn that there are as many as 3 vacancies where he can be posted in Kasar district, submitted his representation before the Director of Health Service, Government of Assam on so and so, wherein he has stated that due to certain difficulty faced with the family, he may be considered for transfer to so and so Salchatra sector under Dorkan BPS Kasar district in the same capacity. However, as the said representative has not been considered, the petitioner is before this court. So and so landed counsel for the petitioner submit that although the state government may have recalled the attachment of the government employee in view of the new policy for transfer, but there are 3 vacancies available as can be seen from communication made by so and so to the Director of Health Service on so and so. 1 vacancy in Lokipur BPS, 2 vacancies under so and so. The responding authority may be directed to consider the
This
representation
is a case of what? Transfer,
for posting was.
posting.
Yes.
So can you choose your posting? I want it there, I don't want there.
Well, that all absolutely not, that cannot be, but considering the peculiar circumstances,
What
One-
peculiar?
one abnormal water lordship, the petitioner hesitating that lordship with the, we have highly
Where are you
represented.
posted now?
My lord, now I am in Lanka, PHA, under Nagaon,
Long time.
lordship,
You
There
want
is-
the posting where?
Kasar.
Qatar. Your daughter is with you.
Yes, yes, in Kasar.
That-
So I want to lordship, I have to lordship take care
Who
of
is
my,
looking after her?
yes, lordship.
Who is looking after her now?
My lord, my mother is there, lordship.
That
But so far treatment is concerned, lordship, with the petitioner agencies required.
treatment, you'll get it better in Guwahati. Ojai is closer.
So, it's heavily lordship in Kasar.
Have to bring them to Ojai.
My lord, it will be difficult, lordship, because my
What
lord,
was the direction earlier?
yes, a direction was given that since the 3 vacancies are there, also taking into account that 3 vacancies, the representation was directed to be disposed of. My lord, thereafter, lordship, the impugn order that the page 64 has been passed without considering that 3 vacancies were. In fact, lordship, after that, lordship, another 3 vacancies were also available.
No, but where is your right to ask for a post there?
My lord,
Vacancies may be there anyways. How can you say I want there, I don't want to go there?
my
What
lord,
basis?
altogether, lordship, as a post vacant in that Kasar district.
You are before a writ court
Yes,
demanding a writ. That must be an enforceable right. Where is your right?
That only consideration, Lordship, that
Consideration has been done, they have rejected it.
well, rejected, but without considering
You file
the,
a contempt,
no,
you file a contempt, why you filing a second writ?
that, without considering these three vacancies.
File a contempt, according to you, the earlier order has not been complied with.
Complied
amount-
to it, but the court, Lordship, in contempt court, Lordship, normally will say that as the order has been complied with, rightly or wrongly.
You are an astute counsel, you have to convict.
If your Lordship permit me to, Lordship, file a contempt, then I
You
file.
don't require permission. You have to
Lordship.
file, you have to make out a case, file it,
If your Lordship give some observation,
no
Lordship.
observation. What observation?
Otherwise, Lordship, the contempt court normally will say that as the consideration has been given, now we have to challenge it.
Then?
So we have challenged, Lordship, that
Yes, respondent, what do you say?
Lordship, he can file a contempt, Lordship, because we have considered
We
his.
are not asking you for legal.
Yes, Lordship, but
We are
Lordship,
asking you on instructions, what you have to
Lordship,
say.
it has come for the first time, Lordship. I have not received any instruction. But
Get your
Lordship, the
instructions.
representation has been
Get
considered.
your instructions. Let it be listed in the first week of August, 4th of August. You give him extra copies,
my lord.
based on 4th,
Court of Appeal.
enabling the content external the public is instruction. Copies be furnished. Within today,
Itself, Lordship.
within 2
Obliged.
working.
Obliged.
Yeah.
In this case, my lord, the petitioner has been recommended by the APSC for SA junior grade. And after that, my lord, we see the first look at the advertisement. At page, my lord,
2022 advertisement,
yes,
22.
but what happened, my lord? The appointment has been made by the CCA 2022 on 15 February and CCA 2023 on 16 February 2024. And now the 24 CCA, my lord, that is ongoing on. Preliminary exam has been declared on last 2-3 days ago, my lord. So the post are not post, I am saying, my lord, the rights of the disabled persons against the vacancy, appointment against the vacancy, my lord.
You know what you're challenging, we're asking you, you are challenging this with regard to selection which proceeded in respect of advertisement of the year 2022.
Yes,
And when was the results declared?
in 2024. And kindly see, my lord,
We'll issue notice at this stage. What can be done? We'll examine it.
and my lord, kindly protect my interest, my lord,
What
because
interest?
my lord, vacancy may not be, my lord, fill up.
You can see there or not there. We'll see. First you have to.
I have
satisfy that.
stated, I have stated,
Why have you come after 2 years?
not 2 years, my lord. Kindly see the facts, my lord. My lord, the my lord, 103, my lord. After my lord,
We are issuing notice at this stage because let them get their instructions, find out what has happened. How are you disabled?
my lord, locomotor, my lord.
Locomotor.
My-
What is the benchmark?
My benchmark was my 45%, my lord. But in the reassessment, 26, my lord. But actually, my lord, the assessment, what have been done, my lord, is the medical fitness, in the name of medical fitness. And my lord, the reservation for benchmark, my lord, for suitability, whether he can hold the post or not, my lord. Well, being a my lord PWD 26%, assuming, my lord, I am more suitable to hold that post, my lord. But the reservation in my lord,
What is the benchmark for disability in the advertisement? What is the benchmark required for disability candidates
candidate, my lord,
as per the
40%,
advertisement?
40%. I have the certificate, I hold.
So even if you're 26%, you don't satisfy that criteria.
That criteria, my lord. Even my lord,
You had applied for a PWD quota, isn't it?
yes,
So
my lord.
you have to have the benchmark disability. If your benchmark disability falls short, You can't say that merely because I am not fulfilling the criteria for the quota, I am otherwise competent because I am more suitable now because my disability has gone down.
My lord, quota is my lord for PWD. My lord, kindly see one judgment, my lord, recent judgment regarding the employment, my
We
lord.
are issuing notice. Let them complete their instructions in the matter. We need to consider your prayer.
My
Heard. Petitioner is aggrieved by his non-selection.
My lord, actually, he was projecting the case in a different manner. He's not selecting, he's selected.
recommended.
He has been recommended by the APSC and he is recommended and government has not been given appointed. Special medical board was instituted. He has found that now his representative was disposed of by a speaking order. Now he is challenging that speaking order.
He
So that case is that, my lord, it is not that he is not selected, he is selected.
Notoriously recommended.
Recommend.
in response to an advertisement dated 22/12/2022 issued by the APSC for the combined competitive examination presented himself for the selection. He claims to be a person with locomotor disability with 40% benchmark disability, with 40% certified benchmark,
45. 45.
45,
My
45. According to the petitioner, he was recommended for appointment. However, the government, upon how the government did not issue appointment order on the ground that it does not fulfill the criteria of PWD, as his disability was found to have fallen short the benchmark. They agree, we heard a representation of the authority, we gave it disposed of by, which is the representation?
My lord, representative type filed on
Came to be
page
Reject-
111.
rejected by the
Speaking order, that is, my lord, 114.
being aggrieved. He is approached the court for approval. Being heard now. The media also
Response number 6, my lord. Yes. Response number 6.
submits that pursuant to the election process in terms of the advertisement, it is when the petitioner was selected the APSC.
My lord. And also recommend, lord.
Selected and recommended. However, his appointment was not, the recommendation made by the APSC was not accepted by the government in respect of the consequence. Having heard counsel to notice that movie, it's M. That appears to respond.
123 not valid.
123. The D Upamanu for respondent 4. 4. Not 4. 4, 7, and 8. Mr. Nitya Bonto, accepted by Mr. Sharma for respondent 6. M. Bhattacharya will also appear for 5. Social justice.
No, lord. In separate.
That's why so appears for respondent number 5. With the respondent that will be represented, councils notices of hearing of furnished within a period of 1 week.
My lord.
The respondents will complete their by necessary affidavit in the matter, this matter again, after the return of the next.
Give level.
My lord, the vacancy against which I have been recommended, that may not be that protection, my lord.
We'll examine after.
Because my lord,
Prayer for interim will be considered after the return.
Deep level.
obligement.
Completion appointment loss. If application submitted long back is even 14 loss.
No communication has been made to this petitioner.
Application for completion and appointment. When was it submitted?
Lordship, initially, Lordship, her mother, Lordship, approached the authorities, but she, this petitioner approached
But
Lordship
what
at the
is the position of after the,
nothing, Lordship. No communication has been made.
no, the notification 18-9?
18-9 notification that has Lordship already been suppressed by this court. Just say that this notification will not Lordship affect the other cases because the law of completion appointment is to apply the Lordship rules which was prevailed at the time of death of the person.
Then we'll issue notice there.
Because that can
Mr. Bora? Of
So Lordship may keep the issue of maintainability on the ground of delay.
course, it will be there.
delay is on the part of the respondent.
Petitioner, you notice that I have 4 weeks. T. Bora. All the.
All the response.
That is the way power. During the submission made by the state council. Question of maintainability of the kept open to be decided after. Maintainability on the ground of delay and
Latches.
only delay and lack.
Like,
My lord, is a petition claiming benefits under the ACP and MSP scheme. There is a long history of litigation also behind, my lord. That initially they were not given, my lord, because their remonstration from ORL to the cycle trade was thought to be a promotion. That was upheld by the apex court that it is not, my lord, to be considered as a promotion. Then when our cases came for consideration thereafter, my lord, another thing happened that in pursuant to another judgment and fifth recommendation, my lord, the rank was also changed from Havaldar to warrant officer. That also again subsequently was stated to be a promotion. In 2024, my lord, this High Court had again held that this is also not a promotion. So the benefits, since these are not promotions, of benefit of ACP and MSCP has to come, my lord. So that is our case, my lord. Some persons have been given. In some cases, my lord, persons will
How many benefits? Two.
two. One SCP and then there will be 2 MSCP.
Yes.
Proxima issue notice that this is this. I am for all the respondents.
There are several petitions.
50.
51.
Claims will be different. No.
The entitlement, the calculations would be different. my lord. The
Otherwise,
entitlement-
entitlement is the same. There is no difference. Yeah. Similarly situated, all persons.
Then why issue notice? We close it.
That after going to the petition rank is similar. That part I am saying. Bro. Entitlement part loss it will be come after all are warrant.
Take over.
All are warrant.
The appeal. Claim.
What warrant of say?
Grant of
Within what wasn't actually. Actually, because
ACP/MSCP. As per the. It a bit denied to the. Also. It's after.
submission notice.
Yes, yeah, we should not.
Obliged.
Regarding Lokshi, so instead of proceedings in regard to not to deliver the temporary benefit to the response number 7 Lokshi. So here in Lokshi and the third wife of the
Third wife.
Lokshi. So I have only I have 3 years children Lokshi. Legitimate. So after extra Lokshi.
No. You are. Who are the first and second wife?
As response number 7 and 8 Lokshi. Response number 7 the first five lordship. The page number lordship are five lordship. Page number five in my IA law. Purnima Boro is the first five lordship. And the second
They are
one is the,
receiving pension.
yes, lordship. Lordship,
Both
So
of them
my-
are receiving pension.
No, only the first five.
but as per the Hindu law, the first five is available. Lordship. So here in lordship, so
They are-
I have
They are employees under the forest.
forest department lordship is a forest guard at the rate of game watcher lordship. West division of Ponitpur, Tezpur lordship. And the expired lordship
We
in
issue notice here in the IA. Will issue notice in the
Notice
IA.
can do.
Forest. Part the rate of property for director of pension. Unrepresented. Responding 7 and 8. To notice. Quick. In report. 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the way. The third period 1. Step of respondent 7 by rate of 3 years.
My lord, respondent five is pension, director of
They are
pension.
reported in name.
the lordship with respect of the respond number 8 lordship. So there are little bit correction of this address lordship. So I can so post and post respond number 8 lordship.
In the IA
IL.
or the writ petition.
Read petition also same.
The council for the petitioner also seeks liberty to make correction with respect to the address of respondent number 8.
Yes.
In place of, what is the correct address?
Correction lordship. So our telephone lordship provide this.
You file proper application.
Yes. Master. Okay.
I has been filed for disposing of the WBC number 3104/2022 filed by the petitioner in terms of the order dated 3/4/2025 passed in WBC number 342/2025
Where
and
is their order?
yes, my lord.
Where is that order?
Order, I'm sorry, my lord, I have not annexed. Para number 3 in my petition, IA, I have mentioned, my lord. He
You
could
produce
learn
it-
that the
you
issue,
Produce a copy of that order.
my lord.
How many orders?
2 orders, my lord,
Different orders.
different orders, complying the earlier order passed by the Honorable Court, subsequent order. Order
You
dated,
have to serve copy of the respondent
I have thought, my lord.
order.
Oh, orders, I have not thought.
Only the.
I'm permitted to supply.
You compassionate appointment.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, lordship. Lordship may take it up also, lord. Because passing of the new OM lordship of September 2024, I think.
It
Here
is
disposed of
not
some
been
order.
covered.
Where to the house? You examine that, we take it up next week. That is my lord.
Yeah, but they are challenging the SLC minor slot here in this present case.
To examine, we take it up.
Anyway,
Metro did about 25th,
Lordship.
it will be 25th.
Obligation. I shall already supply the code. Obligation.
Treatment of the income and other document for
Improvement of
state finance department.
any objections?
No.
Cannot. Education in ahead seeking it. We find it. A company. 3346 of 2020. This penalty, the council, the petition has been filed. Seeking direction.
Remuneration of the present petition.
Due remuneration of the petitioner was working as the president of 14 Dixon Nola Gaon Panchayat in the district under the Romia Antolik Panchayat in the district of Kap. It is submitted to the finance department, the department inadvertent the finance department narrate as a party respondent in the account. He has therefore filed application seeking improvement of the finance department. The party respondent. The board of it. There are learned council representing the PNRD state government that does not take taking it to consider by that it's the case are respected the salary
Remuneration.
remuneration during his service period of service president of the and for release of such remuneration he sanctioned the view of the by the party. The I accept the love. Thank you. Narrated part. The of the it right. Zero to five. Final. E department. The five. Five. Yeah. static. With the back. Yeah.
No,